Hi JK friends. It's Terrific Tuesday and today I'm going to read Five Little Monkeys Sitting in a Tree. If you haven't heard this one before, there's a crocodile and they are teasing the crocodile as they sit and swing above him in a tree. So let's get started. I love this. This is my signed copy from the author. And it says, "Never tease a crocodile." Cool, huh? Five little monkeys sitting in a tree. Five little monkeys and their mama walked down to the river for a picnic supper. Mama spreads out a blanket and settles down for a snooze, while five little monkeys climb a tree to watch Mr. Crocodile. Five little monkeys sitting in a tree tease Mr. Crocodile, "You can't catch me." Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Predict what you think's going to happen next. Snap. You can do that with your hand, just like a crocodile's mouth. Snap. He snapped at them. Looks like he kind of scared them. Oh no, where is she? So there were five monkeys and one is missing. Did Mr. Crocodile eat her? Or did she fall out of the tree? Did she run away? What happened? Four little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. "You can't catch me." Along comes Mr. Crocodile. And predict what's going to happen next. Big old snap. Snap. Now we've got people watching on the side of the riverbank, wondering what's happening. Kind of worried about those monkeys. Oh no, where is he? We've got one missing, so now there were four and another one's missing. Now there's only three little monkeys. One, two, three. Let's see. Three little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. "Can't catch me." Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Here he comes. And look at all the worried people and parents and kids on the riverbank. Snap. Uh-oh. Oh no, where is he? So there were three, another one disappeared. There's only two. Two little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. "You can't catch me." When along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap. Oh no, where is she? So there were two left and now one disappeared. There's only one left. Now there's only one little monkey sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. "You can't catch me." Along comes Mr. Crocodile. Snap. Oh no, there are no more little monkeys sitting in the tree. But wait, look very carefully and see what you notice. Because I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monkey tails. Gives you a little hint, doesn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree. So Mr. Crocodile didn't get them. Their mama hugs them. Their mama scolds them. Never tease a crocodile. It's not nice. And it's dangerous. Good advice from mama. And scold means that she kind of talked to them like she was upset with them sternly, or like she was angry, because that wasn't safe and it wasn't nice. Then 5 little monkeys and their mama eat a delicious picnic supper. And you might notice the crocodile in the background. He's over there. I think he wants something too. My favorite part of the book. And they do not tease Mr. Crocodile again. Instead, they offer him something to eat. Looks like a piece of cake and a banana. And he's licking his lips, so that must sound good to him. And that's my book from Tuesday. Hope you have a terrific day. Bye.